Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional. Not in today's newspaper because today we don't receive any newspaper. It's the yesterday's edition. Yes, yesterday, Saturday, February the 25th, 2023. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars. And the binary, yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 6028. 6028. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 12 printed digits, yeah. 12 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And an O between an O and a 1. With 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there in the last row, then these 3 boxes, we have a 1. And not allowed, one of the rules. So that box can be no, this should be a 1. 3 ones we have here in the last row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column, last column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1 then, alright. 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Then. Yeah. I need to think. Well, still 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 3 O's we have here in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 3 O's. Well, we have here 3 ones in this row. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Alright, now we have 3 O's here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, Then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, okay. 1, 2, 3, okay. And now. This is the 1, 2, 3. Yeah, time for comparing. Time for comparing with a double. Yeah, this column and that column. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. Empty box 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 and this should be an 0. We have an 0 and this should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Cannot do anything here. Yeah, here, no. Here, no. Need to wait. Well. How about this row? Double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? Nope. Do we have a O there? No. Cannot compare this row. Interesting. Cannot compare the columns because we missing more than 2 digits. How about this row and that row, or this row? We have 1 completed row. No, 2 completed rows. Double O here and double 1. Here I cannot compare. Here we have a double 1 here. 10. Here, O. Yeah. This row, the second row, and that row. Well. Oh, wait. 1, sorry. Not the second, this one. Almost made a mistake. This one is not correct. Okay. Well, let me compare. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 0, 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here now, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Between 2 1s comes an O. Okay. Question is, compare the rows or the columns. We have a double 1 here and double O here. Double 1. No, it's not the same, this one. Double O here, then here we have a double O. 1. No, not the same. We need to compare the rows. 100. Do we have a 100? Here we have a 100. Alright. Yeah. This first row. And this one. Alright. 1, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there and O. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, a lot of comparing, but we solve it again. I think 3 times we need to compare, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. 8 6 with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.